welcome to another Startup Saturday. So we have a run-of-the-mill kind of idea. We also have a startup which will be presenting a different kind of idea, which is not exactly reinventing the wheel, but putting a different twist to it. So for that, I invite on the podium right here, they're already on the stage, the co-founder of Bidano, Talha Sheikh, to just make the introductions while the presentation gets set up.
Sorry about the time. Alright. Good morning, everyone. My name is Talha Sheikh. I'm the co-founder of Bidano. Now, all of you might be thinking, what is Bidano? Alright. So, as the name suggests, it's something unique, something really different, exciting. So, basically, Bidano is a kind of, a disruptive e-commerce application for the healthcare needs. Alright. So, the problem which we are trying to solve is, see, in healthcare ecosystem, there are so many major problems, major and kind of critical problems you can call it, right? So, alright, as we can see here, I have a story for you. See, Mrs. Sharma here, she's a normal middle class working woman, alright? She drives her way to the office morning 9 AM and she drives back at 6 PM in the evening. Yesterday when she was going to the office, she unfortunately met with an accident. Alright, why? Because she was trying to save a puppy on the road. So, on her way to the hospital, she was having all these doubts in her mind. What challenges she would be facing? What challenges she would be facing in the hospital? First of all, she was thinking like the cost of the treatment is going to be very huge, which is going to cost her entire savings. Alright, then since she was not having anybody on her side for the hospital, all the procedures, and also she had to stand in a queue at the local pharmacies of the hospital, and she has to get all the medicines on that pharmacy only. Then there would be a problem that she met with such accidents a couple of times in the last year, so her health insurance premium is going to be increased next year, which is a really bad problem for her. Alright, but she was again thinking like, do I have any alternative for that? No, she does not have any alternative. So she has to bear with all these challenges, right? On the other side of the healthcare ecosystem, we have Mr. Raj here. Alright, he is the registered pharmacist in the city of Pune. Let's say he has his shop in Viman Nagar for more than 16 years. Alright, so every day, right now, let's say we had a conversation with him yesterday. What he said that every day when I open a shop, or when I open a shop 10 AM in the morning, initially when I started this shop, alright, 16 years back, so I had only 2 pharmacies here in Viman Nagar in 5 kilometer radius. Alright. Now, when I am opening this shop 10 AM in the morning, today there are 30 other pharmacies. They are opening the same shop in the same place of 5 kilometer radius, doing exactly the same business. Alright. Means what this indicates is the competition has increased a lot. But this is not over yet. Alright. This is not the only problem. The biggest problem is the online competition. The online players, the e-commerce online pharmacies, they are taking away all these local business. Alright, they are really afraid of. See, what they are saying right now is the customer footfall in their shop was around, let's say, if 100 in past 3 years, right now it has fallen down to 70 or 60. Alright, so all these customers are walking away from the local businesses and they are buying medicines online. Why? Because there are so many problems in that. The other problem which he is facing, can he do something about this problem, which like online pharmacies are taking away their businesses, the footfalls are decreasing, competition is increasing a lot. Yes, he is thinking about like if somehow I could manage my marketing and all, so my competition would be, I would be a pretty competitive in the market. But since he's a conventional businessman, he does not have those much skills, alright, and he's not a tech savvy guy. So he even has technology barriers for him. Alright, so then again he is thinking like, can I do something about it? Then he is realizing, no, I cannot do something about it because it's all related with the technology and all. I cannot compete with these online players. There are no tools available in the market. So again he has to bear all these challenges. With Bidano, we are solving the problem which is, every startup should solve a problem which is unworkable, alright, undeserved, unpredicted and urgent. Alright, with Bidano, these problems are something like someone has to solve this problem. That's why we are doing it. It is something which is undeserved by by Mrs. Sharma or Mr. Raj. They don't deserve this problem, right? And it is urgent, like they are running out of business. People like Mr. Raj, people like Mrs. Sharma, the expenses are going like, it's rising like this. Alright? So it's pretty urgent problem for them, and we are trying to solve it with Bidano. So how Bidano is going to solve this problem? So let's talk about the solution which we have over here. Okay, so this is Bidano. What we are doing is, we are taking all these local pharmacies online, on board, on our application, and we are providing them a tool to compete with the online market players. Alright, what we are doing, we are creating a platform on which all the customers can buy their medical needs or medical requirements. Everything would be available on our platform, but it's all virtual. Alright, it's a kind of a thing that whenever you have a requirement, you come to our application and your requirement would be solved by the local people. This is how we are doing it. And first of all, how we are going to solve a problem for Mrs. Sharma. Alright? Because since the biggest problem for her was the cost of the medication, the cost of the treatment was very high, so we are giving them huge discounts. How we are managing to give the huge discounts? Because see, these people like Mr. Raj and all, they are already ready to compete with the online players. How? By giving them a discount. Alright? What these online players are actually doing is they are giving customers a huge discounts plus comfort plus convenience, right? So these local players have actually understood the problem, like yeah, if we want to be competitive in the market, we have to give these solutions. So they already have a solution, but they are not able to market it. So what we are doing is we are giving them a platform to showcase their offers, discounts and promotions. We are giving them a tool to communicate with the end customers, right? So they are giving them a huge discounts, and people like Mrs. Sharma, they don't have to again stand in a long queues in the in-house hospital pharmacies. We are getting medicines delivered at her doorstep and wherever she wants. Alright? See, and first of all, we are promoting this concept, we are calling it buy local. Alright? What is buy local? First of all. Alright? See, in this buy local concept, this is actually the pretty appreciated concept for us till now. The people like Mr. Raj, alright, they are the local people. Whenever we are buying anything from those guys, they are, we are actually helping them to put the food on the table at the end of the day. But if you are buying from the online players, like you have so many examples in front of you, so we are actually helping them to plan out their next holiday home in Manhattan. Alright, so that's what we are encouraging people to buy local to help these guys. Otherwise, they'll run out of business. And it would be a huge loss for them. If you are not buying online, if you are buying from these guys, so the loss would be very small for the players like that. Alright? But that's why the people like Mrs. Sharma and all, they are really appreciating our product and they are encouraging other people to buy local from these local vendors. But see, if these local vendors somehow manage to, provide comfort, convenience, technology and all these solutions, everybody would love to buy from them because it involves a huge social cost. Right? So, with Bidano, we are addressing this social cost and we are promoting this buy local concept in the customers and we are telling them that please help us to help these guys. Otherwise, they will not be able to be competitive in the market and soon they will be running out of the business. Alright? So many people are, giving us the compliments like this is a kind of disruptive concept. What is disruptive concept? What should be a disruptive idea? According to me, what is Bidano? First of all, see, I'll tell you another story here. Early in 1990s and before 2000 when e-commerce came into picture, alright? Whenever I wanted to buy something, what I used to do is, I used to go to any market. I used to explore 10 different shops for that particular product, okay? Then I used to get a detailed idea about it. Then I was the one who was deciding from whom should I would be wanting to buy that thing, at what price, when and where. Okay, but when this e-commerce came into picture, it has created an illusion around us that they are actually, letting you understand and making you feel like you are deciding something, but you are not actually deciding. Okay, let's say I'll give you an example. If you are buying an iPhone from a Flipkart, alright, so if you are buying an iPhone from a Flipkart, the cost is, let's say, iPhone 7, iPhone 6S is around 50,000 rupees. Alright, so what these guys are doing is they are playing with your psychology. Alright, let's say if I have any phone, consider any phone, not only iPhone, I would never think about dropping that phone and breaking the display. Alright, but what Flipkart is saying that if how they are promoting the cross promotion, we call it, how they are promoting the other product, how they are forcing you to buy different products which you don't really want to buy is, see, they will actually tell you, they will promote in the way that this is the iPhone 7, the cost of the display is let's say 15,000. If you are dropping a phone, let's say unfortunately you are dropping a phone, the display is going to get break, and it is going to cost you around 20,000. So buy this 500 ka shatterproof case and your product will be safe. So in this way, they are actually playing with your psychology. They have taken away all the freedom of making decisions by yourself. Alright? So with Bidano, we are letting users to decide what they want to do, when they want to do, at what price they want to buy anything. Alright? So this is the freedom we are giving to the customers. And for the vendors or for our vendor partners like Mr. Raj, we are giving them authority to do business. Which order they want to take, at what price, whether they won't be able to deliver the order or not, or otherwise we have a better solution for them as well. Alright? So, let's talk about the product. What is our product? Bidano is a pretty simplified application. First of all, we have Android application, web application, everything. Alright? So, let's talk about the customer app. See, since we are dealing with the healthcare ecosystem, we understand that the situation in which our customers would be using our application, it would be a pretty critical situation. So we have, targeted our customer in such a way that they would be able to place an order in less than 30 seconds. In just 3 clicks, less than 3 clicks, order is placed. Alright? And we have reduced the order processing time to less than 15 minutes. Alright? You can get your medicine delivered in 15 minutes. How? Okay, let me give you a demo here. Okay, see, first of all, this is the homepage of our application. You just have to scan your prescription, select date and time. When do you want this medicine? This feature has never been implemented anywhere before. You get to decide at what time, at what minute, at what second do you want to, have your order. So you just have to select your delivery date and time. You can select your delivery location. Just place the order. We have here 2 options. You can select 2 options based on your level of emergency. If you want order, let's say tomorrow, day after tomorrow, or let's say 4 hours later, it's up to you. You can select cash on delivery. Alright, order would be delivered at your doorstep respective addresses. But if it's an emergency order, alright, so we have a pretty kind of unique feature here. We are calling it click and collect. Alright, you just select this option. All of our vendors in that particular 2 kilometer radius will be notified that this order is an emergency order. They'll take this order as a priority, they'll pack it and they'll keep it aside. Okay, we'll notify you your order is packed within 10 minutes. You can just cross the road of that hospital. Let's say if you're standing in a Ruby or any hospital, alright, you don't have to go and stand in the queue for let's say 10 minutes or 20 minutes and buy the medicines at MRPs. Alright, we are assuring a discount of let's say starting from 10% up to 60-70%. Alright, so the discount also you are getting, and what you have to do is you just have to cross the road, buy the medicine from outside line. Alright, and those medicine, all the let's say all our vendor partners are registered vendor partners. We have partners like Apollo Wellness, Forever and all. Sorry. So what you have to do is you just have to select click and collect, and then your medicine will be packed in 15 minutes. You will be notified that your order is packed. You may go to this particular vendor and collect your order. Alright, so this is as simple as that. And that vendor partner will actually get to decide and see how it is solving a problem on the vendor side, on the other side of the business. That, see, many times what happens is, let's say, consider any case, let's say Mr. Raj, his delivery boy is not available at this moment, but he really wants to take that order. Right? So what he will be doing, let's say if online guy or any other pharmacy, if he is giving that particular, let's say MRP of the medicine is 10,000 rupees, alright, if someone else is giving it, let's say 9,000 rupees, what this guy will be doing, he will be actually giving it for 8,000 rupees, but he will be telling you just cross the road, come to my shop and just take it away. Right? It's your responsibility because it's an emergency order. He cannot take the responsibility on his shoulders. Right? So he will be giving you discount. What you have to do is you just have to go to his shop instead of just going to in-house pharmacy. You just have to go to his shop, cross the road, go to his shop and collect the medicine. This is how the customers like Mrs. Sharma and all, they will be saving tons of money on all of their medical expenses, and people like Mr. Raj and all, they will be using the technology. They will be embracing the technology and they'll be staying in the competition and be competitive with these online players. So this is our customer app. In the similar way, we have the vendor app in which we are actually giving even on the vendor side as well as on the customer side. For vendor side also, these e-commerce players have just taken away their freedom. Like, unko kisko dena hai product, at what price they have to give. They have to fix their prices. They cannot vary it. The MRPs and all are being decided by all the e-commerce players. But here, for them as well as for the customer, you are giving them the freedom, which order they want to take, at what price they want to give it, whether they are able to deliver or not. Alright? So if they don't want to take the order, they'll not take there's no any compulsion of the order processing. So this is our vendor application. Now let's talk about the market size. The biggest point. Indian healthcare market is over $200 billion market. Let's talk about a specific healthcare segment which we are targeting right now with Bidano is the pharmaceutical segment. So the market size of Indian pharmaceutical it's more than $48 billion market. Alright? Our revenue model, our business model is something like we are charging 3% processing fee on each order. Alright, so we have the market opportunity of over around $1.4 billion. Realistically, we would be expecting to hit over 5% of the local market. We would be launching our product in Pune. So initially, we would be making our foundation strong in Pune only. So we are expecting to hit 5% of the local market in the first year. Alright, so this was the market forecast. Now let's talk about the competition. Yes, we do have competitions for our product, like everybody else. But what I did is, I've segmented my competition into different quadrants. Alright, see, this is the quickest delivery section. This is conventional delivery. This is affordable online. This is expensive online. I'll start with the fourth quadrant. Alright, the companies which are actually making the quick delivery, but they are a little bit expensive on their deliveries because they are charging some sort of delivery charges. They are not giving any discounts since they are making the delivery as quick as possible. So there was a startup called Plus. Okay, they started their operation in Bangalore. Now they have acquired by Netmates. So there was only this startup who was somehow managed to get orders delivered in less than 30 minutes. But their business model was not scalable. That's why they could not do it. There were some flaws. I don't want to talk about it. So this was a Plus. Now it is acquired by Netmates. Let's talk about the third quadrant. The conventional delivery. What do I mean by conventional delivery is basically conventional delivery is like normally order processing takes 2 to 3 days. Alright, these things cannot solve my real life problems like I told you about Mrs. Sharma and Mr. Raj. Alright, so this is not somehow actually solving the problem, but it is actually pretty good because since healthcare market is a huge market, even if you target the small segment of it, you will be like a millionaire. Right? So these people have their different market segment for their as a customer base. So I have a competition here 1 mg into this quadrant. All right, the expensive conventional delivery. This is a pretty strong segment of the healthcare, where these guys are actually giving huge discounts on the medicines. All right, but they are following the conventional mode of deliveries. In this way, like if you order your medicines today, it will be delivered after, let's say, tomorrow, day after tomorrow. They are giving you huge discounts, but they are not actually solving the real life problem of the vendor side. The actual people who are suffering. Alright? Means, if you are introducing yourself as a technology player, alright, it should not be like you should be individually walking on the journey. You should be taking everyone with you. Alright? Even though the people are not so much adaptable to technology, you yourself have to simplify the technology to their level, then make them adapted and then take them with you. Alright? You should not be walking alone in the journey, otherwise you cannot go a long way. Alright? So what we are doing with Bidano, we have simplified our product to the level of the end customers who are actually suffering, who are actually need some solutions to their real life problem. Otherwise they'll be running out of the business in next 2 years. So this is a real life problem for them. So we have simplified our product to their level. So here we lies in this quadrant, Bidano, the quickest delivery and the huge discounts we have managed to give. We don't have any direct competitors for our product. Alright, nobody has ever managed to give the unique features which we are giving. We have so many other unique features. Our revenue model, marketing strategy, everything is pretty unique. What? As like the name, okay, we feel everything. Like whenever we are introducing any feature to the market, what I personally believe, what my team believes in, we should be 100% different than the existing product in the market. We should be 100% better than what is existing in the market. Otherwise, let's say if my competitor is let's say having 40% market share, if I am let's say 10% different than it, I may be having 50% of the market share. But I cannot have 100% of the market share if I am not 100% different than what is existing in the market. Right? So that's what we believe in. So what do our vendor partners are saying? Let's read it out. Okay, we have over 100 vendors onboarded on our application in just 10 days. We have launched our B2B site. 10 days back, we have over 100 vendors on board. We are targeting only Pune area, local market. So we have a pretty segmented markets. Even in Pune, we are targeting only specific areas. In the areas where the early adopters of our product would be available. So this is one of the vendor partner in Vimannagar. What he is saying, I'm in the business since the Mr. R, right? I'm in the business from past 16 years. The competition has increased, especially with the online players coming in. Alright, happy to join, happy to sign up with Bidano, the company that thinks about us. Thinks about us. It means really lot to me. Okay, because I am thinking for someone else. I'm being a mensch here. Okay, Bidano is being a mensch. We are helping someone who cannot help us back. This is a kind of mensch thing, right? What our other vendor partner is saying, we are ready to adapt to the changes, both in the business as well as in the technology. Bidano is giving us the opportunity. It means a lot to them as well. What is the third vendor partner? This is just a few testimonials. Company promoting to buy local and providing exclusivity. Yeah, there are many people in the market. They are not accepting our product because they think like we are just we are here to take away their businesses. If we had this thinking in mind, we had never gone to them at the first place. We could have made our technology just for the customers. We could have had features just for the customer. We could have had our own inventory model and all. We could have just taken away all their businesses. But what we are doing is we are downgrading our levels to their level so that we can actually take them with us. But anyways, for all the products, we have so many people in the market who will not accept us. But we are getting a good response from the market, so we feel like we are on the right track. Okay, so why we are here? We have couple of smart choices for you. We are looking for the investment and the business connects for the promotions. All right, so. In the promotions in the same domain, if we have someone here, okay, who wants to join us with anyways, alright, in the healthcare segment, so we would be happy to have a word with you in offline conversation. You can reach us at hello@bidano.com. Our number is 952738 and you can explore more about the product at www.bidano.com. And we are going to launch our product on 26th of Jan. So website would be live after that. Okay, so thank you very much. Thank you everyone.